This is probably part of the roof, some of the rebar that was in the foundation.
Ben Yarbrough hardly recognizes the place where his family's home once stood.
It's different. I won't be pulling into the driveway anymore like I used to.
Because 2 months earlier, an EF5 tornado devastated his neighborhood in Moore, Oklahoma, claiming the lives of nearly 24 people and destroying schools and homes.
You can't even imagine. It looked like a bomb had gone off. Cars completely twisted and mangled.
The scene itself was chaos. Everything was kind of like just rattled.
As were the victims. But the Office Depot Foundation reacted, bringing help as they sorted through the rubble.
It just was one story upon another story upon another story of devastation. So we did what we always do, and we sprung into action.
Actions which included donating $20,000 to local nonprofit partner Feed the Children, aiding the relief effort by distributing much-needed food and water to victims.
And the resources that we've been able to provide, with the Office Depot Foundation donation has helped those families begin the rebuilding process.
You're working, you're not thinking about eating, and then, when they would give us the cooked food, I would start eating. I'm like, wow, I was hungrier than I thought.
And the Office Depot Foundation didn't stop there, staying involved with long-term disaster recovery. It started by organizing a community conversation, bringing together local nonprofits and other organizations to discuss ways of improving their services during this time of need. The foundation also increased its support to area teachers, providing in-kind donations with a store full of free school supplies to help them rebuild their classrooms.
To be able to have someone donate something that you can use for your students, to not have to spend your own limited income on that, is priceless.
Priceless, like the smiles on these children's faces. The Office Depot Foundation hosted an event donating thousands of sack packs to children from low-income families in the affected areas.
One of the first things that once somebody told me, they glow in the dark. So they were really excited to receive it, and they were happy to see the colors.
You saw how their eyes light up. You don't have to say anything. You just give them the backpack, and it's just this understood thing that they're going to go back to school with something.
It's just a bigger feeling that you get when organizations really come out and support our community that's been hit by disaster.
A community grateful for the Office Depot Foundation's ongoing support and commitment to helping families rebuild their lives every step of the way.
We couldn't do it without help from the Office Depot Foundation.
They're a community and a national leader. We just always know that's somebody that we can count on.
Really meaningful and really a blessing.
It's amazing to see how generous people are when it's needed. Companies like Office Depot are going to jump in and say, where can we help?